Good morning, everyone. Can you hear me, team? What happened, Sumit? Let's get in. Good morning, everyone. What happened, Sumit? Helping him? Good. Which PPT? Okay. Just one moment. Let's wait for everyone. Just give me 5 more minutes. Not 5. Just. So did we complete the project yesterday or not, still working on it? Yes, we are still working on that one. Your bank risk analysis. Yeah. So let's work on it, and you need to complete that projects, guys. That is EDA projects. And just one moment. Okay, let's go. On EDA. Okay. Let's share the screen. I hope this is what we're working on it. Yes, guys. Risk analysis. And I hope we understand. Did I share this one to you yesterday? I think I shared. No, not shared. Oh. Okay, today I will share this one. IRIS data set I shared. I will share today. Okay. Yeah. Just 1 second. Okay, guys. So let's see. I think we downloaded the data set yesterday for the default risk analysis. We have applications data and we have previous applications, and we do have a columns descriptions. Okay. And in this data set, as you remember that we talk about the data set descriptions. Yes. So let's come back to the detailed informations. Let's see one by one. Introductions first. This case study aims to give an idea to apply EDA. Where is that? Just scroll down. In a real business scenario. Okay. In this case study, we will develop a basic understanding of risk analytics in banking and financial services, and understand how data is used to minimize the risk of losing money while lending to the customer. I mean, when a bank will give a loans to the customer, so how to minimize the risk of losing money from the banks? Yeah, this is the use case. Now the business understanding, the loan providing companies find hard to give loans to people due to their insufficient or credit history, isn't it, guys? A lot of them have some of the defaulters on their scores and all those things. Now, if you apply a loan, there is a 4 possible things: whether the loan is approved, agree or not, or the loan is cancelled, or the loan is refused, means the company had rejected the loan. Might be you guys are working on some company, all right, and when they go for HR verifications, they not verify that. On that case, they refuse the loan. I mean, company had refused the loan. Unused offer, loan has been cancelled by the client, but on different stage of the processes, guys. Understand? Now, this is all these things. I hope you understand what exactly you create a document for each and every pages. Try to understand, and let's start working this one, guys. NumPy, you know, pandas, you know, matplotlib, seaborn, everything's, you know, guys. I can explain this if I explain one by one line code. Okay, I'll open my Jupyter notebook. It will take around 3 days to 4 days. So we don't want to waste the time like this, guys. So the session is 1 hour 15 minutes, and I want you to work on all the line informations. Okay. Now import warning. What exactly it will do, guys? Import warning. Voice. It's not clear. Guys, does voice is clear or not? Online team. Ignore the warnings. Mahapatro, please check your net connections, internet connections. All right. Yeah. Now let's see. The first thing is, don't worry about this one. You don't need to work all those things. Leave it, right? No worry about this one. Direct come back to the how to import this data set. That is very important. How to import, everybody know this, guys? pd.read CSV and file this one. Okay, please get it. Okay, once you do this, head, what exactly head will do? Top 5 rows. Inspect data frame. Database dimensions applications DF. In the data, 2 data set we have for this understanding. Okay, how many data sets? 2 data sets we have. For the 2 data sets, what is meant by shape, rows and columns? So don't you think applications data frame gives number of rows and number of columns? Yes or not, guys? Everybody, are you understand? And applications DF, previous DF, you got all the information's database size. This is not required because we don't export for the database. Now informations, df.info, you find out, do we have any missing values or not? It'll give you informations of the each and every attributes. Got it? Yes, team. Now, see, integer, do you have any null values? Non-null, non-null. Yes, we do have. But when we have how many total attributes in the data? We have 121 attributes, isn't it? 121, something like that, or maybe 36. I'm sorry, 36, not 121. Let's open that data set. 1 second. Columns descriptions. Go back to the desktop. Applications data. Just give me some time. Okay, so once you go, let's open in the meantime. Let's talk about these basics. You know this. What is meant by describe? It will give you only numerical informations of the data. That's correct. Now, data cleansing and manipulations. This is very important steps, guys. Guys, can you hear me, everyone? Data cleansing is how do you calculate the null values, guys? How do you calculate the null values? So today I wanted to give you one simple thing. Import missing number as MN. Okay. Import missing number. All right. So what exactly happened? Is null, df.is null. That is also one Avinav. You can do that. You can also do that is null, but that is what the developer, but data scientists, what they do, they import the packages missing number as MN and mn.metrics. What is applications DF? What is the applications DF? Name of the data frame, isn't it? Now, when you do this, you get this visualizations. Now, I wanted to ask one questions. In this visualizations, what do you understand by look at this visualizations, guys? Do you think any null values are there in the data set or not? Which part you find out the null values are there? Which parts, guys? Online team, where did you see in this visualizations, where did you see the null values are available or not? Middle part, yes. I mean, if you talk about, see this means in this each and every bar indicates one attributes, correct or not? Now let me tell you guys, this is a real-time data. Are you going to do any visualizations with this null values? Are you going to do any visualizations with this null values, guys? I hope you understand. I hope you understand. So let's say, guys, the next step would be, so I think I opened this data set. Overall, I have how many attributes, guys? 122, 121, isn't it? So if you see this graph, 121 attribute information, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you calculate like this, you're going to get 121 attributes, isn't it? So each and every, there is no missing value on the first, but you have a missing. So can you imagine what could be the, what are the percentages of missing value? Any guesses? Any guesses by look at the plot? What could be the percentages values? How many percentage? Guesses? 30 to 40? Can I say 30 to 40? But how do we know this? How do we know this? Let's go back to this one. See, guys, if you don't know what is missing number, now let's copy this one and just take some of the informations about missing number in Python. Open this one. It's clearly given up the informations. You're going to get this type of informations. A glitch Pokemon, it's also named a Python library. It is used for EDA of missing data. Understand or not? So everybody implement dot is null. Understand or not? Everybody implement dot is null. But this one would gives you, missing informations along with the visualizations. Understand or not? And you no need to remember all those things, guys. So this is quite important. Everybody understand or not? Yes, online team? Yes, Avinav? So let's see this. Let's see this one. So inside, based on the above metrics, it is evident that the data set has many missing value. Let's check for each column, what is the percentages of missing values, correct or not? We have 121 attributes. Let's check each and every attribute and we understand what is the percentage of missing value. So this is in detailed projects, and I'm sure if you complete these projects, you are 30% confident, guys. You're 30% confident in EDA part, right? Now let's talk about how to calculation the null values. Forget about all these things. Applications.df is null sum. Split the single line codes into 3 lines. How do you split? The first one is called, in your cell, try to do applications df dot is null. All right, you try this one and then dot sum. You get what output you're getting, right? And then applications df dot shape. Okay, and then into 100 2 points. 0.2 means 2 decimals, and then you make a round up, so you get all the 2 values. Simple code or hard code, guys? Everybody understand? For this code, sir, you don't tell me you're just showing EDA. Don't talk like that, guys, because please understand few things. When the times comes, I'll show all these things. This is very easy informations. My lot of students already completed that, and I'm sure you will complete. To understand this codes does not require a computer background students, isn't it, guys? Do you want to be a computer background students for understand this one? Now see this, for first index, what is the null value percentages? 0. So this amount goods price, what is the null value percentages? How do you see this? Open this Excel sheets. Where is that goods price? When you practice, I want you to do like this, guys. Amount, annuity, credit, somewhere, control F, good. This one, right? So do you have any missing values? Let's see this. Blanks. Is there or not? Yes. These are missing values or not? So how many percentages? 9% we have missing values, guys. Guys, are you understand? Can we do it like this or not? Take 1 month and understand each and every line. Prepare a PowerPoint, and that would be your first projects on your resume. Clear? Everyone? Online team, Washim, Chandrahash, all of them, Avinav. Now let's go to this one, because this is what you have to speak in front of interviews, guys. How do you clean the data? How do you understand the data? Okay, where do you see 65? Own car is 65% missing value, quite high. Occupations type, missing. And did you see, if you go back from here, apartment and all those things, quite more missing data. If you see this, what is the insight? There are many columns in applications data frame where missing value is more than 40%. Agree or not? The missing values are more than 40%. Let's plot the column versus missing value, and with 40% being the cutoff marks, mean we need to plot the what are the values are missing, right guys? Very simple. No need to scare. I don't want you to copy and paste the code. Just take one line. There no functions been written here, no for else loop, no for while, no if else loop. Did we implement anything else, guys? No, just you try to figure out just one by one, and you know this columns, column names. I just defined an objects here, and let's open images new tab when you plot this one. Now let's understand this one. By look at this graph, I have 121 attributes in the down. Yes, how many attributes we have? 121 attributes. In this 121 attributes, there are 40% values are missing. There are 40% values are missing. Have you checked this one? So are you going to plot any kind of graph or model or visualizations? Not possible, guys, not possible. So the next one would be, from the plot, we can see that columns in which percentage of null values are more than 40% marked above the red line, isn't it? Okay, so I want everyone to please work on each and every steps and complete this part, guys. Can you do it, guys? Everyone? And this would be your projects number 1. This I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Will you do it, guys? Okay, everyone. Pratyusha. All right. So this is your projects on your resume. Okay, how the risk analysis, how do you find out the factors? What is this called? Heat map. Yes. How do you checking correlations of X columns and target columns, all these things. And finally, you can plot how many independent plots based on the flag documents. What is meant by documents? I mean, your bank peoples, they're collecting a lot of documents from you. Yeah. So how do you plot all the documents, which documents you provide, which all the insights also given up, guys, insights also given up. So that's what I'm saying. You take at least 20 days to 25 days, and let's discuss with them the one who is completed, and upload these documents on your Google Classroom, and let me review that, and then you maintain on the projects on your resume. Clear? Yes, everyone? Okay. Now let's see this. You missing yesterday? You absent? You okay? Not feeling well? All right. Take the recording sessions, or else I'll tell you. Okay, buddy? Yeah. Okay, so far, let's talk about EDA, bank, risk analysis, projects, okay, need to be work for resume projects number 1. Okay, now let's see SQL. So now guys, why SQL is required for data science? Why SQL is required for data analytics or data scientist and all those things? Let's see this. Because We extract the data from the database, right? That's it. To access from the database. To access from the database in the organizations, we have DBA guys also there. Yes, we have data warehouse team also there, isn't it? But what you required, why you required, they will, lot of them, actually, to be honest, data scientists never do, I mean, export the data, right? But still, it's better when you talk about full stack data science. Okay, what is meant by full stack data science? You need to learn from A to Z what exactly a person can do. Yeah. So SQL is the first step we need to understand. And I wanted to share one link online team. Okay, can you please work on, guys, open your systems, and I want you to download some of the database right now, everyone. Database and from cloud. Okay, see this SQL for data analysis. First, we understand what is SQL, how to set up environment, which files needs to download, how to install the database, how to generate the data set, what is the structure query, what is the schema, what is database, okay, advanced querying, group by, average, count, combine data, advanced, manipulating data, and all those things. And we are trying to understand the connections of data analyst plus database plus SQL. Okay, I will give you one data set. I will try to show up one of the business data set and how do we read the data from the SQL. And then I will connect SQL to Jupyter Notebook. Then I will connect SQL to Jupyter Notebook from end to end. End to end means today we'll talk about A, B, C, D. Then later part, we will create an app. Yeah, we will create an app. The app, the front end and backend, everything will create front end plus backend, and backend would be your models. Backend would be your models, but front ends we will create using Flask plus HTML. Understand, guys? All those things, a long way to go, but just try to understand the SQL is necessary, guys. All right. Now, let's see this. I want to see this file. If I give you, if I say work on it, you can't work. Okay. I have a lot of files. If I give you everything is in Google, why can't you learn? Agree or not, guys? Yes or not? So you can do it. So now the thing is, scroll down, everyone. How do you get this? You get this, guys, file? Not. Just one moment. I think do not share this file. Online team, can you open that file, please? Okay, let's do this. Copy and 1 second. Please, guys, do along with me. When I say do along with me, you need to do. Control S, and let's zip the file. Skip just 1 second. I'm attaching right now. Let's close it. Yes, I want to view the file later. Chandrahas, are you download? Are you click the link? Guys, once you click the link, just go down. Did you see files to download? This is a right click, open link in new tab. This is the Google Drive, and do not share this drive to you because this is some of the documents, especially for you. I just zip the file and send it to you guys. All right, just 1 second. Okay, so once you do this, SQL, You click this, buddy, right click. You can download this database.db from the Google Drive. Just 1 second. Why it's take more time? Okay, it's done. Let me send to you. It's the name. I think the net is too slow here. Yes, guys. Okay, I got this. Did you see SQLite test.db? What is the extensions? .db means database. .db means database. I want everybody to click this one, right click, and you can download the file. Right click and you download the file. Maybe you can connect to your hotspot as well. No need to worry, guys. Okay, that's okay. If you find, or else I will tell you, you will do it today. And any issues, not opening .db. It will open. Why don't you open? Right click, check your net connections, buddy. It will open. Okay. Just click here, right click, because it's not opening. In net is slow over here. Did you see, guys? That's why. Yeah. Okay. 1 second. I will send it to you offline, team. Just bear with me. Why the net is very slow? Just 1 second. Share screen. Yeah. Now browse the file and 10. Okay. So I already sent you. Can you download, guys? I saved this file over here. Go to this interview and then this one. SQL for data analytics. Go back to this notebook and please download. All right, online team, are you done? Are you download the .db file? Yes, guys, test.db, right click. When you click this one, yes, good, Archana, very good. See, Chakri, I said you to download. I do not say to open. Yes or not? Yeah, Vinod, what happened? You can post your questions, Vinod. Download completed. Yes, downloaded. Very good. Once you download, guys, just let me send to you. Okay, Chandrahas, just 1 second. Please, hi team, please work on. Now post this. Okay, I sent you also. Please check. Okay, so the first step is I'll talk about, just scroll down, files to download, setting up the environment, because we need to set the environment before we set the environment. We need to download some of the .db file. It's already done. Okay. Okay. So guys, once you done this file, got it. Just go back and scroll down. Let's install the database software. Okay, for this tutorial, we are going to use SQLite. So dbear, what is the software name? Let's click open link in new tab. too slow. Let me, it's better connect my hotspot. Ah, great. సతీష్ నెట్ స్లో సతీష్ గారు నెట్ స్లో ఉన్నది కదా చాలా స్లో ఉన్నది నెట్ గేర్ అవును నెట్ గేర్ అవును 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 అదే సాటి 5G ఎందుకు రావట్లేదు నెట్ గేర్ కనెక్ట్ అయింది చాలా స్లో ఉన్నది స్లో వస్తుంది అది డిస్కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది చాలా స్లో వస్తుంది 2 times డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయింది 2 or 5G ఏది చేయమంటున్నారు ఓకే లెట్స్ ట్రై ఓకే నేను కంటిన్యూ చేస్తా మీరు ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయండి ఓకే జస్ట్ 1 second. Okay, let me share the screen. Yeah, I think, sir. Yeah, that's all right. That's correct, buddy. Just one moment. Yeah. So one organizations also you can download these applications. In the organizations also you can download these applications, right, guys? Voice is not clear. Now it's okay. Just one moment. Now is it clear, guys? Okay, good. So let's see this. Let's see this once. The first one is we need to click the Google Drive first. We need to click the Google Drive and you download the .db test.db. This is the test.db file, right? Yes, team. And once you're done, just download the software. So let's understand what exactly the software is all about. So let's see. Open this part. See, it is a SQL client software applications and a database administration tools. Understand? So this requires JDBC program interface to the driver. Okay. So this used Apache license and it is an open source community. Understand, guys? So this is a absolutely free software which you need to download. So how do you download? Just go back to here. I already downloaded, guys. Just you do not click directly this one. Just go down or you click download over here, right? Are you doing with me, guys? Offline team, that's okay. You can do it later. Yes. In this one, if you go back, did you see the Windows installer here? Yes or not? Windows installer. dbear Windows. Yes, please download. Okay, let me do it. Yeah. Yes, team. Are you doing or not? Are you do it later, guys? Offline team. You will do it later. Yes. Okay. Done. Okay, so the first thing, I shared this file to you. I shared the link to you guys today. Okay, just click on this link, just scroll down and check this setting of the environment. First, you download this file This is a test.db. This is the file. Right click and download. That is the first options. Second options, scroll down, download the software. The software name called is dbear. Yeah. So just open this one, and when you click this file, when you click this link, already the link is given up here, dbear. All right. So this is the link, and you click down, you go for a Windows installer. Okay. Oh my God, 6 hours left. Strange. Oh my God. Yeah. It will be done in just a quick seconds, guys. Okay. All right. You can do it. All right. Once you do this, please install the process online. Can you tell me what would be the next step? What would be the next step? Okay. Once you install, please install the software. Maybe just go back to the download. Okay. Please install the software, guys. Once you install dbear, this is the applications you're going to create. See, once you download this software database, you will create this type of, it will open like this. Just one moment. I will stuck on Google Drive. Yeah, it seems like me, it seems. Net is slow. Yes, Dakshayani. Okay. So still it's loading. You will do it later. No need to worry. Okay. So this is the file. This is the database we will get like this. Agree? Now next versions. Let's close it. Let's close. So does anyone open Excel file? Next, for anyone, for all users. Okay. For me, for anyone. See which one? Chakri, you are doing for yourself, right? Not for your neighbors. So that's why you need to do for me only, not for others. Chakri, good. Yeah. Okay, so this is the data. This is the database we open, guys. Did you see what database we have? This is the DBER 21.3.0. Are you follow me? Are you follow me, guys? Now, very simple step. Let's come back to this one first. Before I wanted to talk about, yeah. So does anybody got like these applications screen? Okay, let's give some time. You guys are doing, just wait for 5 minutes. Yes, Abhishek. Okay. You can try, guys, in the meantime offline. It's maybe your net would be fast. It's not take much time. It's just matter of 5 to 10 minutes. Yes, Arshad, are you doing or you done? Arvind, Gaurav, installing. Okay, so do one thing. You install today. So tomorrow we need to understand this one, but I wanted to go for another thing. Oops, is this installing? The first one. Now next go back to the third step. What is the third step, guys? SQLite downloaded. Oh, good. Let's see. Done. Okay, Chandrahas, you download. The next part would be data set. Today I wanted to introduce, are you open this kind of Windows? dbear software applications. Are you get like this? Everyone. Yes, Chandrahas. Okay. Now what is the third step? The third step would be data set. Today I'm going to talk um, too slow. Just 1 second, please. Let me share the screen. Okay, now team, can you hear me? Yes, team, online team, can you hear me? Yeah. Okay, so in this case, the first step, the third one, where do we get the data set first? Before, as I mentioned, every time you need to understand the business first. Okay, so let's talk about the data set. You setup complete but cannot open DB file. Yes, Ajad, you can't, because I didn't tell you, that's why you can't open the file. I will tell you, then you can open the file. See this one, the data set we're using from University of California Irvine's machine learning repository, we called UCI. So UCI is very important repositories. The way you have Kaggle, guys, the same way all the maximum repositories we're going to get in this one. Okay, now here just click on this data, click on this data set. First we need to identify the use case. In vehicle coupon recommendations data sets. Now I just wanted to ask one questions. In the data set, where the attributes will be generated, who will generate the attributes, guys? Who will generate the attributes, or where the attributes comes from? Database, correct or not, guys? And business, the attributes generates from business, yes or not? And then these attributes are stored in database, correct? These attributes are stored in DB. Yes, online guys, are you understand? Importance of dware, please. Come on, buddy, what you asking questions? Of course, this is importance. Don't you think this is dware is the tool where you need to work on your projects or all these things? Extract the data. I'll show you, you get to know tomorrow. Okay, now in vehicle coupon recommendations data set, what is the business use case? The business use case is in vehicle coupon recommendations data set. So the first thing is this data studies whether the person will accept the coupon recommend to him in a different driving scenario. Understand? Now this part, this is a multivariate analysis or bivariate? Multivariate. Did you see the data set characteristics are multivariate? Number of instances, how many instances we have? 12,000. Business area, what is the number of attributes? 23. So I mean these 23 attributes has to be stored in the DB, has to be stored in the DB, yes or not? Everybody understand or not? So all these attribute has to be stored in the database file. Yes, guys. But first we need to see this one, then we work on SQL, then we querying and all those things. Why I did this? Where is gone? Okay. It's a classifications or regressions, guys. You know why? Because whether a person will accept the coupons or not accept the coupons. Yes, guys. All right. Do you have any missing values in the data? Yes, we do have a missing values. Correct. Now let's see this, guys. This is attribute informations. How many attributes we have? 23. Let's understand the attribute. Destinations. Destinations means home or work or no urgent places. Now passengers. Does the passengers are alone or along with the friends or the kids or the partners? Yeah. And weather. Does the climate is sunny, rainy and snow? All right. What is the temperature? 55 degree, 80 and 30. What is the time? 2 p.m., 10 a.m., 6 p.m., 7 a.m., 10 p.m. guys. Coupon restaurant. I mean, all these attributes, detailed informations we have. Agree or not? Yes, guys. Now, on this case, finally, coupon 1 or 0 means whether coupon is accepted or not accepted. So these attributes we have, okay, for this business, the business use cases in vehicle coupon recommendations data set. Guys, are you understand up to this? So the first step is to download the .db file, and the second step, download the SQL or dbear software. All right. And the third step is understand the business, and we understand the data dictionary. Now the fourth step is, let's explore the software. We do have many database, like, guys, for example, SQLite, Oracle, all things we have, but for this one is quite interesting. The reason why I'm introduced to this one, let me open this software. Everybody's connected to this. You got this part? Did you see the plugin options like here? File, edit, navigator. Did you see the plugin options? Online team? Yes? No? Then you didn't install it, seems. Yes. Yes, Nishu, are you guys see this? Now just click this one. Why this application is very good? You can connect to the multiple databases. SQLite, DB2, DuckDB, Maria database, MySQL, ODBC, Postgres, SQL Server, others. If you go Apache Hive, Spark, okay. So this is also you can use in your real time. Understand, guys? You can also use it in real time. Vinod, done? Completed? Yeah. You downloaded? Yeah. So this part, so this one is already, we have many applications. Did you see this plugin options? At this plugin options, we need to select on SQLite. All right, you need to select on SQLite. But before I wanted to go to the SQLite, tomorrow we talk about that, but I wanted to give you some basic informations. What exactly mean by server? What exactly mean by databases? What exactly mean by schemas? What is meant by tables? How many of them know here SQL, guys? You know completely? Understand? Or the basic part? Everybody, Wasim knows. What about others? You guys know basic informations? Yeah? Yeah. How many of them doesn't know, guys? A lot of them. A lot of them. So at least you know how to install the software today, right? Once you install the software, I'll tell you. I know that's okay, Sindhuri. That's okay. Good. First one, what is server, guys? Server is the collection of databases. Understand or not? Server is the collections of databases, guys. A database is a collections of, see, the computer that contains your database or databases. For example, let's go back. Servers. Images. I hope you guys understand. I mean, this is multiple connections of multiple databases, isn't it? So, see this? Open images, a new tab. Okay. This is client software. This is called servers. This is called database server. And can I say the server or one server is collections of multiple database? Understand or not? Yes, team, everybody clear? So now let's go back to this part. Okay. What is database? A database is collections of schema and tables that we can interact with. Schema means, let's say, if I talk about Hyderabad, all right, there are many hotels, right? Let's say this is called Paradise. This is called Taj. This is called some XYZ hotels, lot of hotels. This is called XYZ1. This is called you know, biryani zone, something like that. So which is server here? This one is server, agree or not? And this one is database, correct or not? This one is database. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 database contains one server, agree? Now let's take one database called Paradise. Let's say this is one database. In the Paradise, we do have some sections called veg sections or non-veg sections, isn't it? So this is called schema. What is this, guys? Understand or not, everybody? What is meant by schema? This is called schema. So veg sections also, we have different curries, like, I mean, it's a lot of dishes, guys. Veg curry, veg biryani. So these are called tables. Guys, are you understand or not? What is this tables? So let's talk about veg biryani. In the veg biryani, made up rice, this is called data type. Guys, are you clear or not? Everybody understand? Online team? What exactly mean by so? Tables are collections of data types. Agree or not? Schema is collections of tables. Clear? And database collections of schema. And server collections of clear. Crystal clear or not, everybody? Online team, the one who never into SQL before. Okay. Now there is no more confusion about what exactly mean by database, what exactly mean by server, what exactly mean by schema, and what is mean by all those things, right? Now let's say we have different database types, guys. For example, MySQL, SQL Server, Postgre, Oracle database, and all those things. If you go back to this one, where is the software? I think I opened this one. Did you see? This is plugin connector, SQLite, DB2, MariaDB, SQL, ODBC, Oracle. All these we have many databases, right? So do anybody remember all the database? Yes or no? Does anyone be a Rajanikanth? No, right? So nobody will learn every one database, guys. So you guys are expert at MySQL. You prepare a resume on MySQL, you get a job on MySQL. Agree or not? Yes or not, guys, everyone? The same way, you need to prepare, only focus on one DB, guys. Do not jump into multiple database. Whether you learn SQL, whether you learn Oracle, or if you want to go for HANA, or if you go for MariaDB or Apache Spark, a lot of things we have. So based on industry, you need to work. Yes, guys, everybody clear? At this moment, we need to plug in to the SQLite. Okay. Where we need to plug into it? SQLite. Just click this one. Once you go to the SQLite, it asking me for the path. What exactly it asking, guys? Which path I stored the .db file. Which file? .db. The file which I downloaded from here. Understand or not? This is the .db file. Now let's see. Let's say if I downloaded, I have in the downloader folder, right? I just give this path, guys, and I will do finish, next, finish, and I close it. After you done this one, you're going to get this type of file. You're going to get SQLite test.db. It is pop up over here. It is pop up in left pan. Are you see this? It is pop up in the left pan. In the pan, in the left pan, yes. Do you see the table informations? Tables. Let me click. The data set one, let's filter. Now let's columns informations. One moment. The net is very fast today. Okay. So did you see all these values we're getting? Destinations, passengers, all these things. Now let's go back to the business use case, UCI. destinations, passengers, weather, temperature, time, coupon, expirations, gender, all these attributes, are we display here or not? Yes or not, guys? What is the Python data types? Integer, float, string, bool. So what is the SQL data types? Just go here and have a check it. Text types we called, people are called a char, people are called as car, different one, okay? Or varchar or varchar, different one, names as different informations. Now let's say text, right? Numerical types, integer, float, real, numeric, bool, and boolean. Isn't it binary type? We have blob and all those things. Clear or not, guys? I hope you understand. I hope you understand, guys, all these things. So first, what we need to do, I want everybody to just do thing. You can understand all these things, guys. Data set, columns, all the informations. Yes or not? You get this part up to this? The first one, the next thing should be, this link is very important. The link is up to this step. Everybody's clear or not? The basic, we understand how to install the .db file, first step, how to install the software, second step, how to install the data set. We didn't install the data set. What we're doing right now, we are generating a raw data. We are creating a raw data set, guys. Understand? So there's two things. I have a data set which is cleaned. This is not important, but to generate the data from the DB is called raw data. So what we're doing right now, guys, this is very important. And after that, once we create the raw data, then we link to Jupyter file. And first we raw data, then we need to create the CSV file or Excel file. How do I do this? Online team, are you understand or not? How, what I'm going, very important, guys. Maybe you done this before, then that's fine. But if you're not done, then please follow me what I'm doing. Yes, guys. Now the next part, up to this, everybody's clear. You got to have basic idea how to install software. What exactly mean by this? Yeah, see, Washim, you install, that's okay. No need to, can I delete the file? No need to delete, just keep it. Okay. Now basic querying. After opening dbear and downloading the database file from the link mentioned at the top of the page, create a new connections and select the options for SQLite. Okay, create a new connections and select the file for SQLite. So just one moment, the same way. I hope you understand, guys. Now the next one is, I'm sure you're not going to get this screen. Online team, if anybody download, just you click this right click, SQL editor, open SQL script. I hope you understand, guys. Once you click right click, SQL editor, and then open SQL script. Everybody's done. Please let me know. Once you're done, guys, let's see, SQLite, you go here and then open the database file you download. Next step, if you're using dware, then right click and open SQL script. See, guys, SQL editor, open SQL script. Got it? Once you do this, obtaining data, select statement. All right. So now the most basic query, this is used to pull data from the database. Select star from dataset 1. Let's copy and select star from dataset 1. Did you see the play button here? Let's done this. Guys, are you getting or not? This is raw data or clean data? This is what you need to be work in the organizations, guys. This is called full stack work. Means the basic step is this. Understand or not? This is the basic step, means Once you get into the company, you get a access, database access. You have to there is a 2 application server. I will tell you which database you should not touch. In the organizations, there are 2 type of application server and production server. What is meant by productions? Now in the Flipkart, if the production server is down, what happened, guys? You not even if open amazon.com. So in 5 seconds, in 1 seconds, company will lose 100 millions to trillions of the data. Understand or not, guys? In Big Billion Day, if you open your phone, if the website is slow, what happened? Are you going to wait or you go for some other website, right? You go for Amazon. Now the Flipkart is lose few customers on instantly, isn't it, guys? So it is a lose for business. Every time you need to ask to your management, which access I got. What do we say? Which access I got? Am I got applications or did I get productions? Understand or not? I'm sure you never get productions access. Am I correct, Vinod? Yes or not? Nobody will get the productions access. And never ever deploy your model on productions. Never touch to the production server, guys. All right. I will give you detail what is meant by productions when I talk about deployment. When I talk about deployment, I will talk about later part what exactly mean by production server. Online team, are you clear or not? Yes, guys. All right. The next step. So everyone, okay, I can continue and I can close it today if you want, but it's not the matter how much I know. It's matter of how much you practice and how much you visualize this one. So I want you to everyone till this step complete today and show me tomorrow. We continue from this step from tomorrow and we complete the SQL work. Okay. Up to this step, please complete. There is a quite lot of work for you guys. There is a quite lot of work for you. Yes, guys. I don't know how much of doing. Let's talk about this one. So please, everyone, if you stuck anywhere, post your questions on the Google Drive, maybe your friends. If nobody is helping you, then I'll help you at the time. Okay. Can you do it today? Yes, team. What? Database is missing. No, never. It's like that. You can do it today, guys. Then we continue this next step. So I want everyone to, then I will tell you how to work on the CSV, how to create a CSV file from this one. And we're going to see some basic querying. SQL query is very easy, guys. Very, very easy. It's the matter of from where did you learn? That's the matters. Yeah. So I hope you understand what is schema, database, servers, non-technical team, the one who never learned before. You understood or not? Yes, guys. Now, just one moment. I will send all. I think I send the documents today. This part, please work on it and get back to me. So far, let's open this one. Now, the first one is this project 7. Movie dating analysis. What is next one? IDs data visualizations. Advanced data. And the next one is 8. What is the next one we talk about? Bank risk analysis for your resume projects. Okay, this is for your resume projects. And the project 9 is SQL to extract raw data, and then we make connections to Jupyter. And this is work in progress, WIP, the work in progress. Okay, understand, guys? So this is things. See, guys, I'm not giving you more tasks because sir, query one options. Yes, please do it. So now this week, once starts is starting, there is no much practical. I'll give you some quite good day to complete all those things, guys. I'm sure the one who complete it could be interesting, guys. All right. Good sessions or boring sessions, guys? All right, let's see. Okay, I will share this project list again. Please work on it. Yes. And everyone, you come up to this step tomorrow. If you're stuck anywhere, just post your questions in the classroom. Okay, Pawan? Yes, Nishu? Cool. Yeah. So I will tell you, for bank risk analysis, take your own time based on your understanding. Take minimum 20 days to, it's up to you guys. It is up to you. Okay. Whether you complete in 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, and all those things, guys. Clear or not? Let me tell you one thing, guys. These, I will give a resume also. I will show the resume also. I would say after 2.5 months, you upload your resume. Let's see what kind of interview questions you get it. All right. So this is the way. How much learning is not important. Apply the learning is important, as I keep on saying. Yes, guys. So I help on the projects. This is the first projects. I have a lot of projects, guys. We'll work together, and still I'm explaining a little bit slowly. Yeah. So no need to worry on it. Thank you so much. That's it for today, guys. Yeah. So let me share. I will post my number here, 9357. Let me tell you guys, I post my number for future connections. After complete the class also, you can have a good relationship with me. Then I would help you for projects, interview discussions, and all those things. 93531576558. For each and every questions, do not ask, sir, I got my printing error. Can you help me? I don't help you guys. Okay, this I number gave you for projects for all the details. Clear? Yeah. Thank you, guys. Okay, one moment. Okay, you want to take down just 6, okay. Yes, guys, please take down for future reference. Okay, regarding projects and all. Guys, are you understand? Yeah. Yeah, you can message me in WhatsApp if you have any things, but at this moment, if you have small query, don't message. If you got error, we have Google Classroom for you. For any further things, like for career gap, for all those things, I would help you guys. All right. This number I give you for to career gap, how to prepare resume, how to pick things. For those reasons, I'm just giving you. Clear? Okay. You absent yesterday, please understand that. Yeah, you get the recording. Anybody have any questions, team? So just wait for 2 months. I will complete starts machine learning, NLP. I'll give you projects. Then I will talk about Azure ML, cloud, all those things. Okay. Yes, guys. Everybody clear or not? Where risk analysis? I already shared. No, you can download directly from the link. You can download from the link. Okay. Okay. See, guys, understand. I do have many students. Do not post for single questions. I do a busy guy, so trust me. Okay. Yeah. For any projects issues, any career gap, how to cover those gap, I will speak to personal for those cases. Yeah, I cannot speak on the time. Yeah, just I will give it time. I will only call you once I get it free. Okay. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. And you done this one and let me know by tomorrow. Yes, guys. Let me know by tomorrow. And that's it for today's sessions. Yeah. So online team, any questions? Just stay with me as I don't have any other sessions. So let's discuss. Kirtana, you worked? How it's working now? 2 days you nod your head, huh? For simple export the data set. Okay, thank you guys. Bye. See you tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, 1 second, Shiva. One.
Bring your laptop. It's showing perfect version for the
1 second. Yes, Shiva, just 1 second. Okay, buddy, please. Shiva, just 1 second. Yes, Shiva, I will be online team. Just wait with me. One second, buddy. Just 1 second. ଏମିତି କଣ ଆସୁଛି ମୋ ଲ୍ୟାପଟପରେ ଅଲଗା ଆସୁଛି Just 1 second. Stop Jupyter theme. या तो हो पाता EIP install Jupyter themes, right? Let's copy. Let's check करो. Let's paste. It's doing. Yeah, I got it. Where do you got this one? This is just a table. How do you call table? You need to need a database name तो मुझे पढ़ियो ना नहीं ठीक अच्छी ना तुम डेटाबेस ना कहीं तुम्हारा डेटाबेस नाम नहीं ना ना दिस इज तुम डेटाबेस ऐड करी नो ओके सर एगुडा करनो मु जहा कहूची सही ही करो ठीक अछि ना डेटाबेस पे सही छी बिकॉज़ तुम डेटाबेस कनेक्ट करी नो तुम फाइल अच्छा डू दे हैव क्लासेस SQLite connect the database now okay yeah do it thank you bye yes Shiva please unmute yes please Shiva
Sir,
yes please
good morning, sir. Sir, the advanced visualization the program on it, sir, day before yesterday.
how no
అది దాంట్లో మీరు కొంచెం ఆడియన్స్ రేటింగ్ కి ఇట్లా మధ్యలో స్పేస్ ఇవ్వకుండా డైరెక్ట్ వచ్చింది సార్ దానికన్నా స్పేస్ అట్లీస్ట్ అది వస్తలేదు అది తర్వాత ఒక 2-3 స్టెప్స్ కోసం తర్వాత ఏం చేసినా ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది
okay sir
మరి
error
same మీరు
can you post the error message to me please
మళ్ళీ మీరు ఎట్లా ఇస్తే సేమ్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ అట్లా చేస్తేనే వస్తుంది సార్
don't understand Naku, can you post the error message then only I will check
ఓకే సార్ ఐ విల్ పోస్ట్
okay you post the error message thank you guys bye yeah